Hello. We know our Earth is on a big year-long trip around the sun. But you know that Earth is also doing a super cool dance move every single day. It's constantly spinning. Today we're going to learn all about Earth's amazing spin called rotation and how it gives us our days and nights. So what does it mean for Earth to rotate? Imagine a spinning top or a basketball spinning on a player's fingers. Earth does something very similar. Rotation is when an object spins around a central line, like an imaginary pole going right through its middle. For Earth, this imaginary line is called its axis. It goes from the North Pole all the way through the center of Earth to the South Pole. Our planet is constantly spinning around this axis, like a giant, graceful dancer. This spinning or rotation is the reason we have daytime and nighttime. Think about it. The sun is like a giant lamp shining in space. As Earth spins on its axis, when the part of Earth you live on is facing towards the sun, sunlight shines on you, and that's daytime. It's when you go to school, play outside, and see everything clearly. As Earth keeps spinning, your part of the planet eventually turns away from the sun. When that happens, sunlight can't reach you directly and it gets dark. That's nighttime. It's when you sleep and you might see the moon and stars. So it's not the sun that's moving across our sky from east to west. It's actually us on Earth spinning away from the sun and then back towards it again. Earth spins from the west towards the east, which is why the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. So how long does it take Earth to make one complete spin on its axis? It takes about 24 hours. Does that number sound familiar? That's right. It's how many hours there are in one whole day. So every 24 hours, Earth completes one full rotation. This is what gives us our cycle of day and night, and it's why our clocks are based on a 24-hour system. It's a very reliable spin. We know Earth spins, but how fast is Earth going? Well, if you were standing at Earth's equator, you'd be spinning at over 1,000 miles per hour. That's much faster than most race cars. Whoa, you might think, if we're spinning that fast, why don't we feel it or fly off? That's a great question. It's because everything on Earth, the ground, air, oceans, even you, are all spinning along with the Earth at that steady speed. It's like when you're on an airplane flying smoothly, you don't feel like you're rushing through the air because everything inside the plane is moving with you. Plus, Earth's gravity is a super strong force that holds everything down. So let's recap Earth's super spin. Earth spins on an imaginary line called its axis. This spin is called rotation. Rotation is what causes daytime when we face the sun and nighttime when we face away from the sun. It takes Earth about 24 hours to complete one full rotation, giving us one full day. Earth is spinning very fast, but we don't feel it because everything is moving with it and gravity holds us down. Isn't it amazing to think that our planet constantly performs this spin dance, giving us days and night every single day? Thank you for watching.